Hey everyone, welcome back to O2B Technologies, where we simplify tech and business. Today, we're diving into the powerful combination of Shopify and Odoo, and why integrating them can completely transform your e-commerce business. Let's get started. Shopify is one of the best platforms to build and run an online store. It's fast, beautiful, and user-friendly. But when it comes to backend operations like inventory, accounting, CRM, and supply chain, it falls short. That's where Odoo comes in. Odoo is a powerful open-source ERP system that offers all the tools you need to run your business behind the scenes. Now imagine combining Shopify's e-commerce strengths with Odoo's business operations power. Game changer, right? By integrating Shopify with Odoo, you get a seamless data flow between your front-end store and back-end systems. That means real-time inventory updates, automated order processing, syncing of products, customers, and invoices, better financial visibility, and one centralized platform for your entire business. No more juggling between platforms. No more manual data entry. Just smooth, automated workflows. Integration can be done using Odoo's Shopify connector, available in the Odoo apps. It lets you connect your Shopify store with just a few clicks. You can configure sync frequency, map product fields, and even manage refunds and returns, all inside Odoo. If you're running an online store and want to scale faster and smarter, Shopify plus Odoo is the way to go. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more business tech tips every week. Got questions about at www.o2btechnologies.com.